Alright guys, so it is January the 2nd, 6:05 AM, and couldn't trade yesterday because it was a bank holiday and the Forex markets were shut, but right now, I'm cooking breakfast. I don't usually cook breakfast at this time. I want to get my meals in early. I got 5 meals to eat. I'm going to crank it up to 6. So I need to start getting them in as early as possible. Oh my... You fucking joking? Oh my days. I can't be crashing out this early in the fucking day, bro. We can scoop it up like this, maybe? Yeah. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, it worked. It actually fucking worked. There's no way. Alright, so, for anyone who's curious, these are the supplements I'll be taking. So we got multivitamin, vitamin D. It's a little bit underdosed. It's quite underdosed. And magnesium and zinc. We also got creatine. So, anyone who's curious, that's what I'm having for the next few months. So, it is 6:40 AM. And we're back where we usually come to at the start of the videos. I just thought, record a little bit of me earlier. But for those of you who aren't in the Discord, we did take a trade, I took a trade on Tuesday, so 31st of December, New Year's Eve I took a trade. To be fair, I could have taken a trade on Monday. Monday's price action looked really nice on GU, but I was travelling that day, so I didn't really want to faff about with trading. But Tuesday we took a trade, won. We de-risked the fuck out of it, and we will continue to de-risk going into January. 0.5% risk per trade, because I just do not want to blow the account. At all costs, I don't want to blow the account. So, I'm just going to take it super slow, not even worry about really passing this account. That's the plan. So, plan for today. We'll see if there's a trade. I'm only going to look London session. And what I'm trying to get good at doing, which I think has been working so far, is sometimes it's not taking a trade. But yeah, obviously we had a bit of a break. I couldn't trade over Christmas because it's fucking Christmas first off. And then I was away on holiday. And to be honest, I couldn't really be bothered filming anything. So I didn't. But we're back. We are back. No school till Monday. But we'll still pump some videos out for you guys. I think the plan now will be cold shower. Do a little bit of meditation. Oh no, I want to stretch actually. Yeah, I'm gonna start stretching again. Because that is definitely something I've been lacking on. Morning routine, stretch, cold shower, meditate, pre-market analysis, and then just fucking trade. Yeah, man. So, we've taken a trade. Didn't go as planned. We actually took 2 trades, which I'm not really that annoyed about because I de-risked for both of them. I did 0.5% risk on both trades. I'm gonna journal before I do a full post-market analysis, but there's no pre-market or live trading analysis because I took the trades super early. The first one earlier than I should have been trading, to be fair. And the ultimate thing... Bruh. Look who's here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Come here. She's knocking the camera. Oh! Mwah. Mwah. Just being chill. Look. Oh no, she wants to go. Bye. Ah. Oh. Ah. The ultimate thing is we'll look at them right now. As you can see, this is the one trade here. This is the second trade. My cat's on my lap. and they both hit stop loss. The ultimate reason is because of the higher time frames. Okay, I can't be asked doing that. And so right now I'm just going to journal the trades I took. Ultimately, I didn't really spend any time analysing the markets beforehand like I should have. I was literally sat on the toilet, bored as fuck, opened up TradingView, I was like, oh, this looks good, after like 2 minutes of looking at the charts. And that's ultimately why the trade went fucking awful, because I didn't analyse the charts properly. I didn't take the time to sit down for 10-15 minutes and look. But I'm going to journal, and then we'll go over what I've journaled after. Okay, so we've done journaling. Let's just get into what I've kind of put down. So, spent about 40 minutes doing this. So we got daily bias. Mine was bullish, but it should have been bearish. And we'll go over why in a moment. But the reason it should have been bearish is because we failed to kind of sweep that. You know, we just kind of consolidated and we're in a downtrend. Gone to the 4 hour. 4 hours bearish. And actually, we had a retrace into this upper 50% of this range already. So we've had the retrace. And we're in a downtrend. So I don't know what I was thinking. Well, like I said, we'll get into that. Why I took fucking shorts. And I was looking at this imbalance here because I wasn't really aware of the higher time frame shit. I was looking at this imbalance here to take longs from, and I just completely ignored this sweep, which obviously it took a while to sweep, but that's what you'd expect in Asian session with low volume. And also, before market open, we inversed this anyway, so that was just a big fuck up. 15 minute now, I was looking at this break of structure here. Obviously, it's a bit fuzzy, but we had a small break of structure. However, there wasn't really displacement anyway, which isn't a huge issue, but like the main issue is the higher time frame bias was fucked. But we did wait for a break of structure, in fairness, and we were still close to this hourly fair value gap. We go to the 1 minute, these are the trades. So as you can see, this was way too early. I mean, this was half an hour before market open. This one was fine, it was close enough to market open, but the overall bias was fucked. Neither of them should have been taken. I should have been looking for trades in the opposite direction. So obviously, I de-risked on both of them though, which when we come to here, we can see my emotional state. I felt confident, but I kind of took a revenge trade after that first one because I felt like, oh, the only reason it hasn't hit my TP is because I've traded too early, so now we're a bit closer to market open. I'm going to take the same trade, when in fact, the real reason which I was in denial of was the higher time frame bias wasn't fucking linking up to short. What did I do right? To be fair, I de-risked. So we still only lost 1% on the day, as I usually would. But yeah, it's still annoying I took the second trade. Now, what did I do wrong? Revenge traded. I didn't analyse the market properly. I was literally taking a shit while analysing the market. And I took 2 minutes to look at the charts and I went, okay, I'm going to trade. The fuck am I doing, bruh? Sit down on the laptop, look at the charts on the laptop for 10 to 15 minutes, no longer than 15 minutes, because you don't want to overanalyze. But I want to be on the fucking laptop to look at the charts, man. Because I was taking a shit. I was, to be fair, in a rush. Because I'd been trying to take a shit the whole fucking... Oh, this sounds so fucking stupid, bro. I've been trying to take a shit the whole morning. It wouldn't fucking come out. So the fucking shit finally comes out, but I'm just sat there. Oh, my days. And I still had cold shower, meditate to do. And it was already basically time to fucking analyze pre-market analysis. So, you know, I should have just got a fucking move on instead of sitting on the toilet half the fucking morning trying to shit. And then I could have completed everything, because I'm thinking, where did I write? Here. I need to finish my entire morning routine because, one, that will ensure I'm awake properly and my brain's functional. So what's my morning routine? Eat, drink, coffee, record on bike, stretch, meditate, cold shower. That everything has to be done because that's everything on my habit tracker that I need to do in the morning. And if I don't do that, like, they're just good habits to do. And it gets me awake and it gets me nice and fucking ready. But if I haven't done some of that shit, I'm going to be thinking about that while I'm trying to trade. So all of that has to be done first of all, and I need to make sure of that. I didn't wake up, like, I woke up at 5:45. That's a good time to wake up. But, bro, I was taking so long trying to have a shit. Because I was trying to stretch, but I needed a shit, so, like, I didn't want it to come out mid-stretch. So, yeah, that means my brain isn't thinking about the tasks I've missed. So I can be present in the trade. So, this is what I should have done. We should have, right, like I said on the hourly, we'll go back to hourly. I should have been looking for shorts. I should never have looked for a long. That would have been solved if I analysed the market properly. Looked from this sweep here. I don't mind it's taken a while because it's over Asian session. And then on the 15-minute, we should have waited for a breaker structure, which we got. We also inverse this 15-minute and hourly fair value gap with this candle. This candle's close. Perfect. Now that this is closed, market open, 1 minute we can look for stuff. So I've put here, this is not what I would want to take. Because obviously we've got a really nice fair value gap here. Immediate retrace, but the 50-minute candle hasn't closed. Here, it has literally just closed. Bearish fair value gap. Boom. Immediate retrace on market open. And yeah, that would have fucking been better. We got that there. I don't really need to reread that. But even if I missed that, I could have entered in here. Stop up there, entered there. That would have gone fine. I know you can't see, but it would have worked out. Could have entered. I don't think that's a retrace, but there was multiple points I could have re-entered. I could have entered here even. Stops up there. That might have stopped me out, to be fair. But that's what I'm saying, man. I know what I've done. I'm not really annoyed, and I'm not going to talk like shit about myself and sound like a retard and an idiot like I usually do. Because to be fair, I literally know what I did wrong. I know what I did wrong. So, yeah. And then as soon as I took the second trade, I was like, right, I'm just going to go out with the dog for like an hour and a half and sit in fucking nature, just chill, calm my mind a bit, think about what I've done wrong. I think I'm also going to start journaling on paper. Like, I'm not going to rewrite all of this because it is super useful being able to put, like, obviously I can't really put screenshots on paper. Like, I could print it, it's just a faff, and I don't really think my parents want me printing that much. So it's convenient being able to put the screenshots on here, but I think I'm going to rewrite some of this onto paper. Like, especially lessons from the trade, or like just lessons in general from the day. I'm going to journal onto a piece of paper. So I'm going to do that. Today I'm going to go to the gym, eat, fucking edit this shit, and then make sure I get an early day and repeat the fucking grind tomorrow. So yeah. Hopefully there'll be regular videos again. There should be. And yeah, join the Discord if you haven't already. We're going to be doing free memberships, free trials for the Discord. So hop in. And oh yeah, follow my Instagram as well. Link in the description. See you guys.